We're in Puno, which is in Peru, and we're on our way to the train station. Today we're taking one of the world's best train journeys from Puno on Lake Titicaca. We travel through the mountains to Cusco, near the lost Inca city of Machu Picchu. We travel all day to get there, but lucky we have lots of room to stretch out, and even musicians to entertain us. I wonder how they can play so well with the train going so quickly. At the back of the train there's a special carriage where you can watch all the beautiful scenery. Every time we go past the village, all the people are smiling at us as we go past. My brother Griffin and I are rocking time with the train. There's a bar where we can buy drinks and even dance if we want. Although it's a bit hard with the train going from side to side. After all the dancing, we're exhausted. On the walls of the dining car, there are lots of old photographs showing the olden days of this railway. There's 5 coaches on this train. It's really interesting to see all the food crops around all the stone villages. The train snakes higher and higher. We start to see snow on the ground. After a while, you get pretty hungry. Boy, lunch is really bumpy on the train, but it's still pretty yummy. After lunch, me and Dad try to play chess. My pieces are the Spanish pieces, and Dad's pieces are the Inca pieces. When we reach the highest point, the train stops, so we can all stretch our legs and practice throwing snowballs and have snowball fights. Even the train guards like to have fun. We are very high up here in the mountains. And little girls dressed up in colourful traditional clothes. There are people selling rugs made from the wool of llamas and alpacas. At this altitude, even a little bit of exercise makes us run out of breath. When we get back on the train, there are some different musicians. A lady is singing now and wants us to dance with her. Some songs are in Quechua, which is the traditional Indian language. I can't understand what she is singing, but she tells us that some songs are about gathering food, and some are about boys and girls falling in love. A man plays a charango, which is a small guitar and is made of a shell from an armadillo. We'll see more music and different instruments when we get to Cusco. But that's another story.